Should humans colonize other planets or fix Earth first?
Colonizing other planets isn't abandoning Earth, it's securing humanity's future. Earth's resources are finite, and threats like climate change, pandemics, or asteroid impacts make a single-planet species vulnerable. While fixing Earth is vital, we must pursue both paths in parallel. Space colonization drives technological innovation and provides a backup for civilization. Waiting until Earth is perfect risks missing critical windows for interplanetary expansion. A multi-planetary presence ensures survival, fosters scientific growth, and unites humanity with a shared goal. It's not escapism, it's evolution.
Colonizing other planets while Earth burns is like building lifeboats while drilling holes in the ship. The urgency isn't out there, it's here. Climate change, ecosystem collapse, and inequality demand full attention now. Space colonization diverts resources, talent, and political will away from the problems we actually understand and can solve. Innovation shouldn't be a distraction from accountability. There's no planet B that can replace Earth's complex, life-supporting systems. Fixing Earth isn't about perfection. It's about survival where we're already adapted. Let's stabilize home before dreaming of distant stars.
Your metaphor is flawed. Lifeboats are built because ships can sink, and ignoring that risk is reckless. Colonizing space isn't a distraction, it's a contingency plan. Earth's crises are urgent, yes, but they're also proof of how vulnerable we are. Space exploration amplifies innovation, generating breakthroughs that benefit Earth. Satellite monitoring, clean energy tech, and AI systems all emerged from space programs. We can allocate resources to both. In fact, space colonization can inspire global cooperation and urgency, not dilute it. Betting everything on Earth's recovery alone is not prudence. It's gambling with humanity's existence.
A contingency plan that costs trillions while Earth's systems fail is not strategic. It's short-sighted. Betting on space assumes we'll succeed where conditions are far harsher and untested, while neglecting the only planet we know sustains life. Space tech may yield side benefits, but that doesn't justify underfunding climate action, ecosystem restoration, or global health. Cooperation sparked by space could be harnessed instead for Earth's healing. Resilience isn't about escape, it's about responsibility. We must earn the right to explore by proving we can care for what we already have. Otherwise, we'll export our failures, not avoid them.
Framing space colonization as escape misses the point. It's about diversification, not desertion. Earth should be cared for, absolutely, but progress isn't zero-sum. Space efforts represent a fraction of global spending, yet they drive high-return innovations and inspire generations. Yes, Mars is hostile, but solving those challenges advances sustainability tech directly applicable to Earth. We don't earn exploration. We need it to adapt, learn, and survive. Avoiding space until Earth is fixed is idealism at the cost of preparedness. Responsible species plan ahead. Colonizing space is not avoidance. It's the ultimate investment in resilience.
Planning ahead is wise, but not when the house is on fire. Earth isn't just struggling, it's approaching irreversible tipping points. Space colonization may yield useful tech, but it's speculative, slow, and far from offering a viable refuge. Meanwhile, millions suffer today from climate disasters, food insecurity, and displacement. That's where investment is most urgent and impactful. Innovation should serve immediate, grounded needs, not abstract futures. Real resilience begins with stewardship, not expansion. A responsible species doesn't look to escape. It commits to restoring the home that made life possible in the first place. Prioritize Earth, or there may be no future to diversify.
But what if the fire spreads faster than we can extinguish it? Betting everything on Earth's recovery assumes we'll act in time. History suggests otherwise. Space colonization isn't about abandoning the present, it's about buying time and creating options. Yes, relief is urgent, but humanity also needs long-term insurance. These aren't mutually exclusive. Space tech already supports climate monitoring and disaster response. Its value isn't abstract, it's practical. Restoration and exploration can be symbiotic. Ignoring that potential limits us. A species capable of saving one world and reaching others is one truly committed to survival. Let's not choose between today and tomorrow. We need both.
But if we can't fix Earth with full focus, how will we manage two worlds? Insurance only matters if the policy is viable, and space colonization isn't. No off-world habitat rivals Earth's biosphere. Creating one demands resources and stability we don't yet have. Meanwhile, every dollar and mind diverted to Mars is one not solving today's crises. Space tech can support Earth, yes, but let's direct it at Earth. Restoration and survival are not distractions, they are prerequisites. If we fail here, we carry that failure with us. True resilience isn't splitting focus, it's proving we can heal what we've harmed. That's our test.
Fixing Earth is essential, but waiting to explore until we've perfected it is a false choice. Humanity thrives through ambition and adaptability. Colonizing space isn't about escape. It's about expanding our capacity to protect life, including Earth's. We can and must do both. Restore our home and reach beyond it. Space isn't a distraction from responsibility. It's a catalyst for it, pushing us to solve hard problems with bold vision. If we only ever look down, we limit our future. But if we look up while still caring for the ground beneath us, we honor both our origins and our potential.
Looking up is noble, but not if we trip over the collapsing ground beneath us. Earth isn't a side project. It's our foundation, our lifeline. Without restoring balance here, no off-world dream will save us. Colonizing space may one day expand our reach, but right now it risks diverting urgency, funding, and global willpower from the crisis at hand. Our greatest potential isn't in scattering across planets. It's in uniting to repair the one that gave us life. Let's prove we can live sustainably here before seeking new frontiers. A future worth reaching begins with saving home.